A day of fun at MOA, Mall of Asia Adventure. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're about to go on an epic adventure, one of the biggest malls in the world, Mall of Asia. Ready na ako? Ready na kayo? Let's go! Guys, grabe, ang laki ng MOA. Feeling ko pwede ako mag-marathon dito, Ems. But today, hindi tayo mag-run. We're gonna eat, shop, and have some fun! So, ayan guys, sorry if hindi ko nakuhanan yung mga clips na namili kami ng mga damit and everything for sports and oh my gosh, I forgot talaga ba ito siya na guys? So, ayan guys, MOA is a huge talaga every time I'm here. Feeling ko hindi ko pa rin nalilibot lahat. Sino ba sa inyo ang nakaka-relate? Like, comment below kung nasaan ang mga favorite spots nyo here. And ayun guys, hinahanap namin dito yung famous na kainan, which is Din Tai Fung. And we've arrived at Din Tai Fung. Guys, if you haven't heard of this place, it's famous for its dumplings and other amazing Taiwanese dishes. Let's see kung deserving nga ba ang hype. So we got this brown sugar milk tea sa Din Tai Fung and let's try it. But first, we need to mix it like this. Kasi sabi ng mga staff, kailangan daw i-mix. And of course, para magkalasa siya. Tikman natin siya. Sarap naman. Sobrang mouth-watering na mga dishes, guys. Okay, so nag-order kami ng xiaolongbao. And of course, yung fried rice nila and yung classic milk tea nila. So, ayan. Kinakain ko ngayon is yung fried rice nila with chicken and sobrang sarap. 9 out of 10.
Lalo na yung chicken in the rice. 9 out of 10.
And finally guys, dumating na yung xiaolongbao. And yan, tinit ko na ng aking frenny.
So we're gonna try now the famous xiaolongbao here in Din Tai Fung. So this is the famous xiaolongbao.
Yes! So ayan guys, let's do the taste test. So ayan guys, yung broth niya or yung sabaw niya is taste so good. Lalo na kapag nilagay mo yung sauce nila na may soy sauce and ano nga yun, ginger and everything. And pag pinagsama-sama mo, fantastic, delicious. Grabe ang atake mo sis! Bugs!
Masarap ka guys. So yum.
So ayan guys, as you can see, nahirapan ako magbukas ng xiaolongbao. Kasi nga, ang hirap guys.
Ang hirap ng chopstick.
And ayun guys, nag-order din pala kami nung famous din na parang xiaolongbao pero chocolate naman yung laman. Nakalimutan ko lang kung ano yung tawag niya pero it's so yum. So of course, titikman din natin yan at i-rate natin yan.
So ito siya guys. Oh my god.
It tastes like So ayun guys, isa sa mga naging favorite ko dito is ito yung chocolate na parang xiaolongbao. It tastes so good, lalo na yung chocolate niya. And lalo na sa mga sweet tooth dyan. Okay naman siya guys, and nagko-complement naman lahat. And ayun, 10 out of 10 para siya sa akin. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Grabe ang saya ng day na to sa MOA. MOA is always a fun place to explore, and Ding Thai food didn't disappoint. Kung gusto niyo ng legit Taiwanese food, you guys have to check it out. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.